This video is sponsored by Lifesaver Mobile. We stop distracted driving for your employees. To add multiple assets to MyGeotab at once, come over here to Assets, click the drop-down here, and select Add Multiple Assets. On this page, you can download a sample template, which looks like this. The X's are where you can add your device serial numbers, but for this example, we're just going to upload untracked equipment assets. We'll fill out the equipment we'd like to add, save our document as a CSV file, and go back to our database to upload the data. We'll choose Equipment for our asset type group, select our file, and then click Save All Assets. Before we actually do the saving, you can alternatively copy the data from the CSV document, click Quick Import, paste the copied data, assign our asset group here, and then click Import for essentially the same results. Alright, now we'll save our data, and we can see the imported equipment on our Assets page, and add extra details to it as we see fit.